Some of you guys might have trouble making this thing working, the vacuum cleaner. So I wanted to help you guys figure out how to work it out. If I turn mine on, it doesn't suck up. Well, I think that's the problem. The problem is how you put the lid on. This lid has two holes here, if you guys can see them. This hole and this one. And they really need to come up first here. So that's how you store it. You put it like this. Oops. And then you close this thing here. And you just insert it back in there. Yeah, it's working again. Thank you guys for watching.